Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I believe that at any age you can remain healthy and happy. All you need to do is to plan that well. And once you have a strong plan with you, then you need to put in some serious hard work to execute that plan. However, one more thing is very important, specifically in your fitness journey, that is tracking. Tracking not just tells you about how well you're doing as per your plan, but it also motivates you. It will also push you to better goals, bigger targets for the next time when you complete one goal. So tracking is very important when it comes to fitness specifically. In this video, I'm going to review and unbox one tracking device for you, which I feel is very helpful if you are beginning your journey in fitness. Keep watching. I'm going to unbox and simultaneously review this new fitness gadget that I bought. This is called Mi Band 6. So Mi, that is a Xiaomi. This is a company which is into a lot of fitness products. I also have the Smart Scale by Xiaomi. Let's see what is new in Band 6. So it is a very small packet that it comes in. Of course, it's just a watch. Let's open it and check. So here, this is the band. Okay, this is the beautiful, nice, compact band which we have here. What else is there in the packet? Let's check. You have a charging cable. And it's not a regular charging cable. As you can see, this is a magnetic charging cable. So it's not a regular USB or USB-C kind of a charging cable. This is a specific Xiaomi charging cable. So I think we all need to make sure that we don't lose this or we don't break it. And of course, it comes with a detailed user manual. How to use and what are the things and everything. All right. This is the watch, as you can see. It's quite compact. I like tiny, delicate watches. So I think this will look good. And you can adjust it according to your requirements. So even in my pretty tiny wrist, I would say this fits quite well. Of course, you can change the bands. So you can match it with your dresses or whatever you want, accessories. And it can create a different look every time you change the band, but I prefer more of black, so this is good for me. First, coming to the display, it has 1.56-inch AMOLED display. It is edge-to-edge display. It is a tempered glass with full capacitive fingerprint coating, and the resolution is 326 ppi. To track your fitness, it has a lot of sensors here. There is a 3-axis accelerometer sensor. There is a 3-axis gyroscope sensor. It's connected with GPS, and it also has a PPG heart rate sensor. Now, what is unique in this is it also has SpO2 sensor. So, SpO2 is a new term that we have heard because of COVID. What I found amazing was you can also check your breathing quality, not just during your workout or exercise or during the day, but it also monitors it during the night. If you wear it and sleep, then you'll be able to see what is your breathing quality when you are asleep. So that gives you a breathing score, and that is again can be a very important tool for many people. It has a battery of 125 mAh. It promises about 14 days of battery life. Connectivity is via Bluetooth, and it has many tracking features. Now, there are about 30 fitness modes. There are 6 auto detection modes. There's, of course, as I said, SpO2 tracking. There is sleep tracking. Can also track your stress, which is amazing. It is water resistant, so 5 ATM is its water resistant grade that allows you to wear this band even while swimming. I actually bought this particularly because I wanted to wear my fitness band during swimming, and my existing one was not water resistant. I will definitely check how good it is while swimming and if it is detecting the strokes, because that is what it should do, and calculate the distance while swimming. It also has a female health tracking, which means that it can keep the cycle length and all the information about your periods and everything. If you want to, that also can be tracked using this. It has also alerts, so if you want, you can set the alerts to make you move after every 1 hour or so, or whichever way you want it to really remind you of your health. Probably you can set those alerts and it will do the same thing. It is compatible with Mi Wear app or Mi Fit app, which you can download, and in your Android or iOS, both it is available, and you can track the historic data and your progress and everything in that. They also have other devices with Xiaomi, which are like the smart scale and all, which also can be paired with your Mi Fit app, so you can keep all your information in one app. So this looks quite good, particularly because the cost is not high. So this is pretty cheap as compared to all the leading fitness bands that we have heard of. I got this for about 115 dirhams in Dubai. So approximately, if I'm not wrong, around 2,200 Indian rupees, which is absolutely good for the amount of features it is providing. And also, of course, comes with 1 year of warranty. What could have been even better would be probably NFC, a voice assistant, but that's not available outside China. In China, they have models with voice assistant as well. So this is it. This is the small review or overview of Xiaomi Mi Band 6. So what is stopping you? Go ahead, start tracking what you do. That is really important. Whenever you are doing any workouts, whenever you're trying to be fit, lose weight, gain weight, whichever way it is, improve your strength, very important point there is to track your progress, and this little device can do this for you. That's it from me. Take care and stay healthy. Bye bye.